Are you ready?
So we are back at the IBIS Royal Docklands. Now I have covered a few IBIS videos already on the channel, but we have stayed here before, but I didn't do a review of it because last time we came here was about 5 years ago. And it's a new IBIS suite room. So it's just like your typical IBIS bed, as you can see on here. So it looks really, really nice. We have teas, coffees, and kettle there, and your milk and all that. Little closet space there. We already hung up our jackets, and we do have a hairdryer in there as well. Our view. This was buildings. building after building. It's a lovely, lovely bed. You can get the mattresses and all that, and the top is on the All Accor website. And then in here, it's the bathroom. Little step to get up in there, like. We've got a little charger there, so I can actually charge my toothbrush, because obviously my toothbrush needs charging. We've got Rock Your Body hand and body wash. And all that, we've got a nice clean surface. Your bog. And then this is the shower. So we've got conditioning, shampoo already in the room. This is the shower head. And this is the shower. It looks quite nice. It looks very swish. And there you go. That is the IBIS, the Royal Docklands here in London.